So when we cover the one revolution, that means one circle, there is a 2 pi radian revolution. So now the wheel is converting 360 revolution. 360 time revolve हो रहा है. So therefore we will write here degree or the angle revoluted in angle rotated on rotated in 360 revolution equals to 360 into 2 pi. These all are in the radian. Now you can see here, this 360 revolution is in 1 minute. And we need to find the radian made in 1 second. So we can say that in 60 minutes, it is forming, sorry, in 60, not in minute, because it is in 1 minute. So we can write here 60 second means 360 into 2 pi radian. That is the rotation. कि 60 सेकंड के अंदर 60 सेकंड मींस 1 मिनट. So in 1 minute, that means in 60 seconds, it is forming 360 into 2 pi radian. So therefore 1 second in 1 second it will make 360 into 2 pi by 60. Now cut it. So it's zeros are, then 6 are 36. So finally in 1 second there is a 12 pi radian rotation. तो उससे पहले एक छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट देख लेते हैं that we have already discussed. कि that in the circle, that the angle sustained by the circle at the center and with the relation of the arc. So this is your circle. Okay. Now this is the angle sustained by the arc of the circle. That means this part. So we have already written that if L is a length of arc, theta is the angle sustained on the center, then there is a relation that angle sustained on the center is equals to L by R, length of R upon radius of circle. This is the relation. Now see in the question, everything is written there. Now in the question we have given that the radius is 100 centimeter. So that means we have R is equals to 100 centimeter. And the theta, that is the angle sustained on the center, we have to find it. So length of arc is also given, that means L is 22 centimeter. So remember this one thing, whenever you are going to find the relation between the length of arc and the radius of the circle, it will always give you the measurement in the radian. So that means when we find the theta, that theta is equals to L by R, and we have length of arc 22 by 100. So it will be changes to 0.22 radian, or we can simply say this is in the radian measurement. This is the value of theta in the radian. But in the question, they are asking, we have to convert or we have to find the measurement of the angle in degree measurement. So you know that whenever you have to convert the radian to degree, that time that the theta should be multiplied by 180 by pi. So your value will be changes to degree. So now substitute the value here. So when you substitute the value of theta, so finally your answer will be 22 by 100 into 180 by pi. Now you know the value of pi is 22 by 7. So now you have to again substitute the value of pi also. So it's a 22 by 100 into 180, and this one become 22, and in the denominator will be converted to numerator. This one cancel, then this 2, it's a 10, 10 is a 100, 10, 18 is a, okay, 0, 0 is cancelled, then again, if we divide it, na, okay, so let's multiply it, so your division will be easier. So it become 18 sevens are
126.
126 by 10. Now this is in the degree. So again, we need to convert in the minute and second. So let's divide the 126 by 10. Ones are, okay, 26. So it becomes 12 degree. Correct? And this 6 by 10, because 6 is the remainder, 6 by 10 degree. So we will multiply it by the 60 to change into the minute. So it's a 0, 0 cancel. So finally we have 12 degree and 36 minute.
और इक्विलेटरल एंगल इक्वल होते हैं.
Okay, correct. So we have see here. We have here. So because of that diameter, na, your radius will be 20 centimeter. And it is also given the length of chord. So chord is a line segment which having the end point on circle. So ये मैंने chord AB suppose कर लिया. इसकी length है 20 centimeter. So when you join with the center na, your all side are 20 centimeter. हर एक side 20 centimeter की हो गई. And this one AB OAB is a triangle. With all side equal. So therefore, all angles, that it means it is a equilateral triangle. So we have the theta is equals to 60 degree. This is the value of theta, 60 degree. Now you know the relation between the theta, L and R. And here we need to find the length of minor r. So your L will be, as the relation is theta is equals to L by r, so it will give you L is equals to r theta. So now you know that the whenever the length or angle is in the form of the radian, then the length is in the form of the centimeter. So we have L is equals to R, that is 20 centimeter into 60 degree. Now this 60 degree will be changes to radian. So it's a pi by 180. So 63 are, then it is not divisible. So now we can say here it's 20 pi by 3 centimeter, and if you need you can substitute the value of 22 by 7 at the place of pi, and this one will give you in centimeter. ये दिया हुआ है कि if in a two circle the arc of the same length, so we are having the two circle but the length of arc in the both the circle are equal. So these are two different circle. Find the ratio of their radius. Now see here, why it is saying the length of arc is equal. Suppose करो ये बड़ा circle है, so that means the length we will take from this side to यहाँ से यहाँ ही लेना है. Now in the smaller one, the length थोड़ा सा बड़ा दिखेगा तुम लोग को कि so these are the angles sustained by the larger one and the smaller one. So यहाँ पे मान लेते हैं कि they are the sustaining the same angle, two circle of the same length sustaining the angle 60 degree and 75. So एक को 60 degree मान लेते हैं और दूसरे वाले को 75 degree suppose कर लेते हैं. And now this one having the radius missing and R2 is also missing. And for this theta is 75 degree, but it is also given that the length of both the arc, दोनों की जो length की arc की length है that are equal, means L1 first का that is equals to L2. Now from the relation, if L1 is equals to L2, so can we write here R1 theta is equals to R2 theta? By this
Yes.
formula, that theta is equals to L by R. So this will give you, since length is equal, so L is equals to theta R. So we are using R1 theta is equals to R2 theta. Now R1 is missing, so R1 into 60, and this side R2 into 75. Now we need to find the ratio of their radius. हमें उनके radius का ratio find करना है. So only the thing, both the sides your theta will be in the same unit. So now we having the same unit in the degree measurement. So we can write here R1 upon R2 is equals to 75 by 60. We need to find the ratio. So R1 ratio R2, that means R1 upon R2. So it's a 15 5 ja, and this one is 15 4 ja. So now we have R1 ratio R2 is 5:4.
4.
This is the ratio of their radius.